Ophis Sub-Divisional School Education Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Hakasan tarik Nailur arhajar arpusau kala rakhe sngi burom ki Nonghikai Teachers Day hahol jong ka St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang. Hakani ka program la Ioh Khusnam kyrpang Shakilai Ngut ki Nonghikai kiba kynthup yaga Vice Principal St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang Sister Cecilia Khujur yaka Headmistress Rosario UP School Kynrud Sister Syrpailin Kurkalang but yaka Head Teacher ka Nongthymmai Govt LP School kong Sintisha L Nonglait. Kiba ialam lynti but M Syiemlieh ki khana school bakin le baha hakijing pule. Kani ka Khusnam ka kynthup yaki sernot harangkat ka song pisa arpau hajar tengka marwe. Hakajing yalang ladan lang ka kong LR nyauta BDO Mairang C&RD block kum ka kong san usiem ka Hima Nongkhlaw M Syiemlieh SDSEO Eastern West Khasi Hills District ba J Thyrniang ki khana school ki Nonghikai na ki school ba pher na Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Lapan po pen peng yakani ka sngi de kijing ruai kijing shat bat kiskit na ki khana school.
To stand before you today as the recipient of this prestigious award. This moment is incredible and special to me, and I am truly grateful for this recognition. First and foremost, I want to express my sincere thanks to the Office of the DSEO Nongthymmai and SDSEO Mairang for this incredible honor. To be recognized by such a distinguished group of individuals is both humbling and inspiring. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the many people who have supported us throughout our journey, all of us. To our family, our friends, colleagues, mentors, thank you for your unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in us. Without you, this achievement would not have been possible. To our colleagues, this award is as much yours as it is ours. Your dedication, hard work, and collaboration have been instrumental in every success we have achieved together. I share this honor with each of you. I stand here today not just as an individual, but as a representative of everyone who has ever invested their time, energy, and trust in us. I am deeply aware that this award reflects not just our efforts, but the collective effort of so many others who have been part of our journey. I hope this recognition inspires others to continue pushing boundaries, to work passionately towards their goals, and to believe in the power of perseverance. We all have the potential to make a difference, and I am committed to continuing this work, not just for myself, but for the betterment of our community and beyond. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for this incredible honor given to all of us.
Inspiring hearts and nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. Let me start by briefly telling you the history of Teachers' Day in India. It is celebrated every year on the 5th of September with respect and enthusiasm. The special day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Syrpailin Kurkalang, a respected scholar, philosopher, and India's second president. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed strongly in the importance of education and the vital role that teachers play in shaping the future. The Teachers' Day 2024 therefore honors the dedication and contribution of educators to the society. The theme for this year's Teachers' Day is Empowering Educators for a Sustainable Future. The empowerment of teachers is not just a matter of professional development, it is essential to the progress of our communities and the future of the world. At the heart of every educational institution lies the teacher, whose influence is profound and far-reaching. Teachers are more than conveyors of knowledge, they are mentors, guides, and motivators. They have the critical responsibility of fostering curiosity, instilling values, and igniting the passion for lifelong learning. In every lesson, teachers impart not just facts, but the skill necessary for students to navigate a complex world. They help students develop critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to analyze and solve problems. Beyond academic knowledge, teachers also play a key role in nurturing emotional intelligence and social skills, preparing students to thrive in diverse and dynamic environment. To truly harness the potential of education, we must therefore focus to empower our teachers. Empowerment begins with recognition and respect for their profession. Teachers should be valued for their dedication and for their expertise, and also their contribution should be acknowledged in every sphere of our society. Professional development is also another critical aspect of empowerment. Teachers should have access to ongoing training and resources which enable them to stay abreast of the latest educational practices and technological advancement. This support not only enhances their teaching skill, but will also boost their confidence and effectiveness in the classroom. Moreover, we must also advocate for a better working condition and fair compensation to each and every teacher. Teachers often work long hours beyond the confines of the school day and face numerous other challenges. Adequate compensation and support are essential to ensure that teachers remain motivated and committed to this vital role. Empowerment also involves creating an environment where teachers can collaborate and share the best practices. Schools should foster a culture for teamwork where teachers are encouraged to exchange ideas and learn from each other. By building a supportive network, we enable our teachers to grow professionally and personally, which in turn will benefit their own